Now that we've addressed annotation of performance-based objectives, the next thing we'll look at is whole word vocabulary development. Well, what does whole word vocabulary development really mean? Well, it means we're to introduce the contextual meanings of grade level and domain specific terminology and vocabulary. For example, in our performance based objective here, we would break our vocabulary down into blue and red, general and domain specific. And many times we're seeing these in classrooms and we're breaking the vocabulary down each time to provide definitions. But there's one that I really want to pay attention here during this PL, and it's the domain specific one. And see, domain specific is really a special set or body of words used in a particular setting. And we know that it's in our classrooms, right? Regarding math, which can vary according to context. And so these 5 examples are 5 math terms that, if not explained in their context, could become stumbling blocks for our students. For example, the term even, right? We know that is the opposite of odd, right? We say, what are even numbers? And we say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Any number that ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, it can be split into 2 or more groups evenly, right? And so we think about even, but even can also be an adverb, which means surprisingly or contrary to the extreme, something still happened, right? Or the next word there, we see power. Power can mean strength, but in math, it has a different context, right? Plot means to put a point on something, right? A graph, it could be a coordinate grid, a coordinate plane. But a plot, if not explained, could think like a scheme of sorts. And then product, right? In math, this is the answer to a multiplication problem. It's not a manufactured good. And then table, right? Not as in table as at which we eat, but a table where we sort and order data. And so when we talk about what this really means, we have to help our students break down contextually what words mean when they encounter them.